everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that January is coming to an end already? So at the end of every month now for 2021, I'm going to try to do a flip through of my journals that I'm working in, my art journals, my glue books and so forth. This is my Everything Glued 2021 journal, and it is my glue book. And here I just made collaging with different backgrounds and pictures, and it's living for the weekend and gather family. So I have it like a mother and a daughter and her little doll baby, and the father and the dog over here walking through nature. And this one is Instructions for Living a Life. Pay attention, be astonished, tell about it. Mary Oliver. And The Secrets in Paper Places. These are just some stickers from that Antiqua book, and I'm trying to use them up, so I put them in here. And these are also from the Antiqua book. I'm going to go do better and start dating them. I haven't. This one is just little sayings about loving life and loving nature, and I can probably add more to it. And I just got an Etsy sale. Did you hear that? And this one is The Various Paths We Take Lead Us Somewhere New. And I just, put a little tissue paper on the background. And I was starting to lean toward black and white on my pages, and then I realized wrong journal. This is Uppercase Magazine. I love this magazine. I'll put more on here, as I get pictures of other magazines. But I love this one. And this was in it this month, and I put inspiration up here because it's just different books about, different things that you can do. And I thought they were beautiful, so I put them in here. This is my bucket list. Create, learn, explore, learn new things, and happiness. And these are all stickers out of that same book, so I just stuck them in here. This is actually a book page, and it was all in black and white, so I started watercoloring on it, and then I decided I like this tones here. I have like a really light shimmer pink background back here. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, and I used the pink and the blue, and I did this guy up here in like a greenish blue. And then all these little circles, I kind of made them pop out by putting some yellow around it. And this is all with shimmer watercolors, and I'm sure the camera's not picking it up. This one I just started today, so there's nothing else on it. It's be devoted, be content, and be enough. And I just saw this little guy in his Christmas suit. And I happen to have one of my former students posted a picture. He's like 30 years old now, and he had the same suit on at a Christmas party, so I put it in there because this little boy reminded me of him when he was little. And that's the last one I have in my glue book so far. I'm going to get more serious with my glue book. I have so much stuff cut out that I want to put in here, but I just haven't had the time. So that's it for this one. All of these walkthroughs are probably going to be pretty short because if I do them at the end of each month, it's kind of, depends on how much time I had to spend on it. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.